Hello friends, Mark Holmes here reporting from Arlington, Virginia. It is Memorial Weekend, and if you know a vet, thank them for their service. But let's not forget why we're actually here for this weekend. This weekend is about those who are no longer here that have made the ultimate sacrifice. Behind me, you see rolling some 500,000 motorcyclists will end up rolling past the Vietnam Memorial, the Lincoln Memorial, and Arlington Cemetery in support of POWs missing in action and fallen soldiers. What started out 30 years ago as a protest has developed into a yearly parade for supporting our troops. And they're trying to send a message to our president, Donald Trump, about the importance of finding those missing soldiers and bringing them home. There we go. Amen. Young and old, black and white, Hispanic, you name it. Everybody is here in solidarity. People are having a great time. Even the rain hasn't dampened the spirits. And we'll get you some more footage. Back to you in the studio. Cowboy Jobu here at the Jobu Sports Report, here reporting live from Arlington, Virginia, where we have rolling thunder is in the house. Everywhere you can see motorcyclists, bikists, 500,000 of them will go across Memorial Bridge on past the Vietnam Memorial and then past Arlington Cemetery. Even though it's raining out, everybody is having a great time. And remember, today, while you're throwing down one of those hamburgers or too much of that good old potato salad, remember, thank a veteran for their service. Because without them, we wouldn't be the free country that we are. I'm Cowboy Jobu, reporting live from Arlington, Virginia. Can somebody get this flag from out in front of my face? There we go. Well, as you can see, we're in the middle of a heavy downpour, but nothing has dampened the spirit of all those out here to support our American troops. The parade just keeps rolling on. Now, while you're chomping down on that piece of rib or eating that extra cheeseburger, find a veteran and tell them thank you for their service to our country. I'm Mark Holmes, here at Memorial Bridge in Washington, D.C., getting soaked in support of our troops. Have a great Memorial Weekend, friends.